So this is our living room area. This is our spacious kitchen which has two granite platforms. This is the third bedroom, which is the spacious master bedroom. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. In today's video, we are going to show you the spacious 3 BHK sample flat of JNAA Privilege located near Gaikwad Nagar Road, Katevasti, developed by JN Realty and Homes. But before we show you the sample flat, let me tell you what Housey is. Housey is India's first real estate platform which has connected home buyers directly to the developers, giving you all bottom rate guarantee. Unlike other property listing platforms where your one inquiry is distributed within multiple brokers, Housey connects you directly with the builders, giving you transparent pricing, genuine information and hassle-free home buying experience. So what are you waiting for? Book your dream house today now through Housey. Now giving you a project overview with the help of project's 3D model, JNAA Privilege will be constructed on 2.75 acres of land parcel with 4 towers, each having of ground floor, 4 podiums plus 17 floors with 2 BHK to 3 BHK premium residencies. Now, let me tell you about the surroundings and the location of the project. As you can see, I am standing at the entrance of JNAA Privilege's sales office, which is on the right hand side, and the land parcel which is behind the sales office. Now coming to the location part of the project, it is located near Gaikwad Nagar Road, Katevasti, Pune. The road being shown to you right now is the Gaikwad Nagar Road which connects to Mumbai-Bangalore Highway. It also has the connectivity of Zudio which is within 2.5 kilometers, Mumbai-Bangalore Highway which is within 2.7 kilometers and D-Mart which is within 4.8 kilometers. तो चलिए अब हम डिस्कस करते हैं इस प्रोजेक्ट के amenities के बारे में with the help of the project's 3D model. JNAA Privilege project has over 30 plus luxurious amenities in which clubhouse, swimming pool, kids play area, multi-purpose hall, jogging track, gymnasium and many more are included. So, as you can see, I am standing at the entrance of a spacious 3 BHK sample flat which is 1081 square feet carpet area. So, this is our entrance. Here you get a video door phone and a digital door lock at the door for security purposes. Here you can set up your decorative items or shoe rack at the entrance's lobby. Now, before I show you the living and the dining room, let me tell you about the first bedroom of this flat, which is located near the entrance as it is a butterfly concept. So this is the first bedroom of the flat, which is the guest bedroom. Here you have your bed setup space. Here you get your walking space. Here you have your wardrobe space and then an attached balcony to it, which has anti-skid tiles and 3-side cover. Then you get an attached washroom which has anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting and designer vitrified tiles. Now let's move on to our living room and dining room area. So this is our living room area. Here is your couch setup space. Here you have your TV unit space and then an attached balcony to it, which has anti-skid tiles and 3-side cover. Here you have your dining room area where you can set up your dining table and enjoy a lunch and dinner with your family and friends. Now let me show you the kitchen. This is a spacious kitchen which has 2 granite platforms parallel to each other, a sink attached to it, and then you get a dry balcony attached to it where you can set up your washing machine and utilities. And this is your refrigerator area where you can set up your fridge. Now let's move forward to our second bedroom. But before I show you our second bedroom, here you have a common wash basin and a common washroom located, which has anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting and designer vitrified tiles. So this is the second bedroom of your flat, which is the children's bedroom. Here is your bed setup space, here is your walking space, and then you get an attached window to it, which gives you ventilation and natural sunlight. So as you can see, you have your wardrobe space here. Now, before I show you our third bedroom of the flat, let me tell you what Housey provides you with. Housey provides you with actual location tour, sample flat videos, pros and cons of the project, payment schemes, EMI schedules, and 360-degree location tour. All of this just under one platform. So, what are you waiting for? Register now for free and book your site visit today. Now, let us show you the third bedroom of this flat. So, this is the third bedroom, which is the spacious master bedroom. Here, you have your bed setup space and an attached balcony to it, which has anti-skid tiles and is 3-side cover. Here, you get your wardrobe space and an attached master washroom to it, which has anti-skid tiles, is CP-centered fitting, and designer vitrified tiles. So this was a sample flat tour video of JNAA Privilege project, which is located near Gaikwad Nagar Road, Katevasti, developed by JN Realty and Homes. For more such videos, like, share and subscribe Housey's YouTube channel, and please do visit www.housey.com today.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.